flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for north central Winnebago County in north central Illinois until midnight tonight. At 8:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain has fallen just west of Shirland across the Sugar River Basin. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Shirland and Harrison. Flash flooding is likely near the Sugar Shores Camping Resort. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. If outdoor, move to higher ground. This is NOAA's Weather Radio. In our listening area, this station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for wind hazard, flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Shirland and Harrison. Flash flooding is likely to drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. If outdoor, move to higher ground.